Hi there. Columns is data storytelling platform to improve the end-to-end scenario from your data to data story publish in 5 minutes. After you sign in your account, navigate to dashboard. In the dashboard located in the data connection. Here, you can build any data connections to any type of your data you have. For example, you have Google Spreadsheets data, you have data warehouse data in Snowflake, you have data in Databricks Cloud, and you build connections to them. If you have any special data source you would like to us to have support, send us email. We'd love to help. In this demo, that using one Google Spreadsheets data source as one example. For example, I navigate to a data source which is from the Google Spreadsheets. Click the visualize icon, load the visualizer. The system will detect your data and make the first recommendations to you. You start with this map because it detected location data from your data. And if you are happy with it, you can start styling it. Click any elements on the canvas and start to customize them. For example, if you want different color scheme, you can just do customization here. Or if you want a different type for your map, you can do that as well. There's a bunch of customizations you can do to style your single chart into a beautiful story. For example, I would like to use the column chart, then I can choose a different visual type here. Here, again, you have all the capability to customize any elements from the X cell, Y cell, and each bar. For example, I would like to reduce tick count of the Y Excel and change the Excel color to red. And I can increase the font size a little bit. Also, I want to highlight some largest bar in the chart, California and Texas. So I can click them, any of them, and I can choose to highlight them. In the highlight part, you can choose a highlight color. Let's use gold. And the contrast color, a little bit lighter. Same thing, you can choose Texas to choose to highlight that as well. Next step, you may want to add some annotations. For example, I want to do an arrow. And I want to put some text content there. Let's just position a bit. If you want to change the color, that works too. Similarly, I want an arrow to point to California as well. And in this case, I drop another annotations on top, which is more free to move. And I can say this is California. Change the font size to a little bit different. For the Texas one, I also want to paste a picture. I can just paste the pictures I copy. I increase the image size. At this moment, you may want to adjust all the elements a little bit. And if you feel, let me change this one as well, axis, and change the axis color to deep blue. Increase the font size a little bit. So everything looks good to me. I want to publish this into one app that I can share with other people. In terms of the sharing, you have a lot of other options. For example, you can download as PNG file, you can download as SVG file, or you can just add it to a new app or an existing app. So let's say this name is California and Texas, largest states. Click the Add to App button, and I want new app. So I say demo app. And I want to start with medium size. I can save that into my canvas. I have to enter. So it shows the new app. Then I can save it. If you exit, you can check out the app. Otherwise, you can continue editing or customize this piece of content for your story. Let's check out the app we just created. You can see here, demo app is created here. And we click it to preview that. And this is your app. So you may ask him, how can I share with all my colleagues, my friends? It's simple. Just navigate the actions and click share. Or you can add other people as coordinators so they can edit in the same app with you. Let's click the share. By default, it's private. It's just one button click, make it public. Once you close this, you can see the public link generated. Click the link. You can see you visualizing is published in this URL. Also, in the future, you can set the timer to auto-update the data so it keep in sync with you live connection. In this layout, you definitely can make the default to other sizes as well, such as large size, small size. The medium size is what we chose when we save. You can see when you choose large size, it scales. Small size, medium size is default. Start to share this link with your friends or your team. I hope you like this demo. Thank you for watching. Enjoy it. Bye.